Full face blackheads cleanup complete deep pore transformation. One pore can change a small area, but congestion across the entire face changes everything: texture, smoothness, even how light reflects on the skin. Today's treatment is different. This is a full face blackheads cleanup, a complete deep pore transformation, from forehead to chin. Why different areas build congestion differently? Every area of the face behaves differently. The nose collects deeper congestion, cheeks develop hidden texture, chin traps stubborn buildup, forehead spreads congestion across larger areas. Together, they create uneven-looking skin. Surface cleaning isn't enough. Washing removes oil, but deeper congestion stays trapped. That hidden buildup changes texture, pore appearance, skin smoothness. Step 1. Full face deep cleanse. The process starts with a complete facial cleanse to remove surface buildup. Step 2. Steam activation. Warm steam softens compact buildup across all facial zones. Step 3. Nose center face extraction. Extraction begins from the areas with the deepest congestion. Blackheads begin releasing, and the texture starts changing. Step 4. Cheeks, chin forehead cleanup. Now the treatment expands. Multiple areas are cleaned carefully to clear scattered congestion. The face gradually appears cleaner, smoother, more balanced. Step 5. Complete texture transformation. With the congestion removed, the skin starts looking more even. Pores appear cleaner across the entire face. Step 6. Recovery finish. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin after extraction. Final results: before, blackheads and congestion across multiple areas; after, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin, a complete full face cleanup transformation. Final message: sometimes skin doesn't need more, it just needs a complete reset. If you enjoyed this full face blackheads cleanup and deep pore transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare transformation videos.